Hey guys, today we are doing some more rust repair on the old Cherokee. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so today what we're doing is we are working on the rear shackle mount under the back of my 97 XJ. This is what I've currently got. As you can tell, it's not exactly amazing, but the biggest problem was on the inside. Whenever I went to take that nut or the bolt loose that went through here all the way onto the inside, there was an encapsulated nut back here, and it just spun and ripped loose as soon as I started pulling it out. So we've cut it out. I'm gonna have to end up making a new inner plate as well. But today, we're making an outer plate that's gonna cover this section here. So we took our metal and we bent it. You can see that here. Super easy, I just put it in the press. Let the press do the work. Now we've got our 90-degree angle. But before you get going too far into this, you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need a Sharpie and a piece of construction paper or paper of some sort. If you have a crafty wife, she's gonna have construction paper and you can go steal it from her, but don't tell her that I stole some of her paper or I'm gonna get in trouble. So that's between us, nobody else. So when you've got your construction paper, go ahead and put it on the part that you're wanting to replicate. Kind of get your pattern kind of halfway lined out. The paper appears to be long enough that direction. If I put that up to the top where I want the piece to be, you know, we're a little bit too long off that. Got the back in there. Kind of wrap that around a little bit. You can kind of see how much I need to start removing there on the inside. And I know we're going to come down to about here. So I can kind of crease it just a little bit, kind of get a basic idea. You can trace on the paper whenever you've got it up on there, or you can kind of make yourself little crease marks and then just kind of give yourself something to follow. And you can see here, this template looks like it's actually fitting up in there pretty good. Not too shabby, but right up in here, there's a little bump there and a little bump there. We've got to kind of work around that too. So with our paper sitting up in here, we'll kind of mark, you know, around where those two bumps are. That way we've got plenty of clearance whenever we transfer this onto the metal. Now that we've got our basic template on here, time to plasma cutter it out. Now here we are with our rough cut piece. We have not cleaned up any of the slag yet, nor have we used the magic grinder to make everything look better. Hopefully we can get some more of this done. It looks like it's about to rain on me. Hey guys, so I was about to start grinding and then the rain came. I'm not gonna sit out there with the camera and an electric grinder that's plugged into the house in the rain, so it's gonna have to wait. So that's probably it for today, but I can show you the passenger side, which I got done the other day. I still haven't done the inner plate yet, the plate that's gonna have that nut welded to it. Here's a quick look at the other side. I think it turned out pretty good for a first time at it. And there's that plate, guys. You can see I got the hole drilled right there. That's where the bolt goes through from the outside. Put a few more holes in it to spot weld a few places on there. But that's the final product that we're going for. Obviously my welding is not super amazing yet. Welding reasonable metal onto crap never turns out great, but you gotta work with what you got. So we didn't get everything done we were hoping to accomplish today, but follow me on the other socials. Dirty Trucker 08, Instagram, Facebook, posting stuff on there behind the scenes a little bit here and there. It's a whole lot easier to snap a picture and throw it online than it is to make a whole video sometimes. So if you'd like to see a little more behind the scenes, stuff that's happening whenever I don't have the big camera in front of me, that's a good place to look. But I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.